is Netflix on Nintendo Switch? Whereas the swap launched manner again in 2017, in 2022 it nonetheless would not have an official Netflix app. The Nintendo Swap launched in 2017, however at launch, lots of apps, providers, and options have been lacking from Swap. Immediately, a shocking variety of these omissions nonetheless aren't on Swap, however some have come. So, in 2021, is Netflix lastly out there on Swap? On this article, we'll inform you everything you want to know. Let's get the unhealthy information out of the best way first. Netflix will not be on Swap. Netflix has apps on PlayStation and Xbox and any variety of different platforms, however there presently will not be a Netflix app on Swap. There additionally is not a simple workaround to simply use an internet browser on Swap to stream from Netflix. Not like the upcoming Steam Deck from Valve, Swap is not designed to assist all kinds of providers as they presently exist and work, and like conventional consoles, Swap requires bespoke functions designed particularly for the system. Whereas Swap has different apps, like YouTube or Hulu, Netflix is not there, so we all know it isn't any form of technical hurdle. Swap even helps streaming video games, admittedly on a really case-by-case foundation, however that is an exponentially extra intensive type of streaming than Netflix. Why is not Netflix on Swap? Doubtless, this comes right down to dollars and cents. In addition to Nintendo's lengthy historical past of attempting to regulate each side of their platform whereas concurrently not giving players many quality of life options they've been asking to carry to Swap for years and years. For nearly every other gadget with both a show or the power to hook up with a show, if it is moderately well liked, it will get a Netflix app. The PlayStation Vita has a Netflix app, and that is a conveyable system that is a lot older, a lot much less highly effective, and is exponentially much less well liked than Swap.